Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on OpenAI audio to text. So let's get started. Okay, so for this audio to text, we are using post request with this call api.openai v1 audio slash transcriptions. Content type is equal to multipart slash form data, or we can directly use this form data here as well. Okay, so for this, just copy exactly this header content type multipart slash form data and body type form data, and in the form data add a file with the send file check enabled, and you can for testing upload an mp3 file right here just to test the response. Then we have model whisper 1 and response format is equal to text. Okay, so this is all for the setup, and let's just reinitialize this call and see this response. Okay, you can see this response, and this is because the data type I have changed to text over here. So when you change it to text, it will give you something like this, and this is actually an audio recording. So for audio recording, it directly converts that in, and we can directly use that here. Okay, so this is how it can be done, like just upload the recording here and it's done. For this, the workflow can be something like open the page and add a file uploader over here, and a transcribe button, and text to show the data, like text field to show the transcription. And on the button, add a workflow. Um, this we have audio to text, OpenAI. We have OpenAI audio to text. Okay, so you can clearly see we have this upload file option and also this mp3 file. So we can make it upload file by just making it file uploaders value. And after making it file uploaders value, we can make it, click on the transcribe, and the last thing we will be needing to do is set state or save it to the database. So we have OpenAI response text that I have created a state on this page. Here you can see this text response is here. And after all this is done, let's have a preview. Okay, so on the preview, I have this click to upload a file and the transcribe. So I have directly attached the file. This click to upload file has no point, but I've shown you the workflow. I will just click on the transcribe now, and it will take that file and start generating. Okay, just 1 second. So I've made it empty, make it step 1's response, and let's do it again. Now what it's doing is just calling the API with this file, and after the file is done, it's giving us the response. So okay, hello, I'm just testing. This is what I said in the recording. It's the recording mp3 file that I've uploaded. And the same you can do for audio slash video recorder. So audio slash video recorder, if it's saved, just save it somewhere and add that URL to this step here, right here in the dynamic, and set the state or save it somewhere in the database. And this is how the whole audio transcript is done. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.